That was it. Right, Leaf Metal, Hobby 36. Hobby box. Sam Leavitt's kick it off. This one of those black papers. That might be 101. Oh, the 8675. 309. Alright, so black paper foil. Sam Leavitt's for the S spot. Colin. Oh, 3 of 5. Let's start there. Oh, AB. So chrome blue for the A spots, Colin. It's 5 of 49. Marcel Reed, blue Pulsar Armed Forces. The M spot, blackjack. So 4-4. Ooh, Money Mansell. That's a silver Pulsar. The J spot, Colin. 4-5, Johnny Man. Hey, good box. Phil Maffa. The draft bound black for the P spot, GB on the board. It's 2-5. Dylan Sampson, great box. So purple lava for the D spots, blackjack. 7, 1 of 7. And closing it, Brady Hart. I've not seen him yet. A high school kid. So Armed Forces Red Mojo for the B spot, Cello D. Taking it down. So 1 of 3. That looks like a high school kid. PNGB, Money Manziel, Colin Marcel, AB, and Mr. Leavitt, blackjack. Major League, I got you. We'll get it in this weekend. So fresh box is up. So jumping in, everybody.